again for another milk tea tutorial.
Since marami po sa inyo ang nagtatanong, ano nga ba ang premium and classic milk tea recipes?
For today, we will share 4 easy-to-prepare classic milk tea recipes. Let's start!
For our first classic recipe, alam po namin na marami na ang nakagawa at nakatikim na rin ito. Pero alam nyo ba, na isa rin po ito sa classic and original milk tea recipe from inJoy?
For 22-ounce cup, just mix 360 ml of water and 4 tablespoons of inJoy winter melon milk tea powder. And mix well. Tip lang, kung gagamit kayo ng shaker tulad nito, to add asa black tea or tea water, just make sure na hindi po mainit yung tea water or yung black tea to avoid pressure doon po sa inyong shaker.
Tama! Ang tendency kasi nito, kapag nakakreate ng pressure sa loob ng shaker, maaari pong tumalsik yung takip po nito. After po natin ma-mix, we will set aside our milk tea mixture. Then prepare po tayo ng cream cheese floater for smaller batch, tulad din po ng mga napapanood ninyo during our live seminar. Just mix 1 cup of cream cheese powder into 340 ml of ice cold water. Yes, ice cold water yung kailangan po natin gamitin para sa cream cheese para ma-achieve po natin yung right consistency para sa ating cream cheese floater. Kaya po nito makagawa ng 9 servings.
Siyempre, hindi kumpleto ang milk tea kung walang tapioca pearls. So now, we will add inJoy cooked tapioca pearls, around 2 scoop, using this pearl scooper. Then add tayo ng 120 grams of chopped ice, or around 4 to 5 pieces ng ice, or depende sa size ng ice na meron kayo.
Then pour na natin yung ating winter melon milk tea. And top it with inJoy cream cheese floater.
Ang sarap nito! Isa ito sa nag-trend noong bago pa lang ang inJoy milk tea powders.
Aside sa winter melon deluxe, itong next recipe natin na isa sa mga crowd favorite. Ito ay ang taro milk tea with sweetened red bean.
To make these drinks, super dali lang. Just mix 360 ml of water and 4 tablespoons of inJoy taro milk tea powder. Mix well until maging fully incorporated.
Using 22-ounce cup, add po tayo ng 120 grams or 2 scoops of sweetened red bean.
If you want to add a twist or gusto mo lang mag-change ng sinker sa inyong mga milk tea drinks, perfect na perfect itong inJoy Sweetened Red Bean. Bagong twist din ito sa inyong mga milk tea drinks.
Same procedure lamang po ito from the first recipe. Just add 120 grams of ice. Then pour na natin yung ating milk tea mixture. And this is it! Our taro milk tea with sweetened red bean.
Our next recipe naman under classic milk tea drink ay ang Okinawa milk tea with cream cheese floater.
Perfect itong Okinawa sa mga millennials at mga customers ninyo na may hilig sa ma-creamy, mati-taste na mga milk tea. Dahil malalasa mo dito yung creaminess ng milk and tea nito. Same procedure lamang din po yung gagawin po natin. Gagamitin po natin yung cream cheese floater na ginamit natin from our first recipe. To make our recipe special, maglalagay po tayo ng caramelized syrup sa gilid po ng ating 22-ounce cup.
Siyempre, mag-add din tayo ng Tapioca Pearls. Ng ice. And now, our Okinawa mixture. And top it with inJoy cream cheese floater.
And this is it, our Okinawa milk tea with cream cheese floater.
For our last recipe, we will make dark chocolate milk tea with Kreem Puff Floater. Sa mga chocolate and milk tea lovers dyan, perfect na perfect ito for you.
So meron na po kami na prepare dito na dark chocolate milk tea mixture. So ang gagawin na lamang po natin ay yung Kreem Puff Floater natin. So paano po ba tayo gagawa ng Kreem Puff Floater in pure serving, partner?
Okay, for our Kreem Puff Floater, we need 270 ml of water, then 2 cups of inJoy cream puff powder. Okay, so hindi na po natin kailangan ng cold water para dito. Normal water lang po or room temp water lang po ang kailangan natin gamitin. And mix natin using our wire whisk.
And remember po, wag po tayong gumamit ng hand mixer sa pag-mix ng ating pong cream puff. Dahil ang gusto po nating ma-achieve dito ay yung microfoam mixture.
And ito na yung mixture na gusto nating ma-achieve. And for our 22 ounce na size ng cups, add tayo ng Tapioca Pearls for about 120 grams. And 120 grams of tube ice.
Then pour na natin yung minix natin kanina na dark chocolate milk tea. Huwag lang natin pupunuin masyado dahil maglalagay pa po tayo ng cream puff floater.
And top it with inJoy cream puff floater.
And for the toppings, add po tayo ng chocolate nips. Pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng iba't ibang klase ng chocolates or mga toppings. Depende po yan sa inyo, inJoypreneurs, kung ano po yung mas preferred po ninyo.
And that's it! We hope makatulong itong quick and easy classic milk tea recipe tutorials for you and for your business.
Don't forget to like and share this video. You can leave a message if you have questions on our FB page at inJoy Philippines. Thanks for watching! Bye!